Hey guys, in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can install Microsoft Copilot. Alright, let's begin. Nowadays, Microsoft Copilot is being pre-installed on Windows 11 and it is no longer being restricted. So, in order to enable it, right-click on the taskbar, select Settings, and then inside Taskbar Settings, toggle on this Copilot feature. Once you do, it will pop up onto your taskbar. But if for some reason you can't get it, then you just need to open up a preferred browser and search for Visual Studio Code. After that, open the official website and then go to the extensions section. Here, search for Copilot and then open this extension. Now, you just need to click on the Install button and it will be installed on your device automatically. So that's basically how you can install Microsoft Copilot. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.